Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? Today only I made a one session, guys, regarding this IPS RRB notification update. So morning only I told anytime IPS RRB notification will be out. So what I said today that day came today, guys. So today IPS RRB notification is out. So this very good have good news for especially for those are waiting for IPS RRB notification, guys. So so those are new for this IPS notification. This authorized website, guys. You see once again here. This IPS authorized website. You just click here to download the IPS RRB notification here. Okay, we go for next slides, guys. Here, so online examination structure, guys. You know this reasoning and numerical ability test, guys. This is especially for preliminary examination. What the preliminary examination is 40 questions and 40 marks. So and quant 40 questions and 40 marks. Total time, guys, 45 minutes. Okay, this is 45 minutes. Total marks 80 marks. Okay, and officer scale 1. This is also same reasoning and quant. 40 questions, 40 marks, 40 questions, 40 marks, composite 45 minutes. Both are same, guys, but here you can observe here candidate for both the post have to qualify in the both test by securing minimum cutoff marks. Okay, sectional cutoff there, guys, and adequate number of candidates in each category depending upon the requirement will be shortlisted in the online main examination. Everyone knows the online main examination is 1:20, guys. The online main examination 1:20. Okay. You see, sir, guys, online main examination structure here. Reasoning and 40 questions and 50 marks. Computer knowledge. Okay, 40 questions, 20 marks. Here half mark, guys, 0.5 marks. Okay, general awareness 40 questions, 40 marks. General English 40 questions, 40 marks, and general Hindi 40 questions, 40 marks. Here you can observe, guys, here option subject you can choose English and Hindi. Most of the North Indian states, those this official language is Hindi, right? They only choose the Hindi language. So you can any language we can choose, guys, here. Okay, numerical ability, you have 40 questions, 50 marks. Here 1.25 marks, guys. Okay, so total composite marks 2 hours. Okay, but here one thing you observe, guys, every section we have to qualify at least minimum cutoff each section, then only we will clear the examination. Okay, this officer scale 1 also same, guys. Reasoning, computer awareness, general awareness, English, Hindi, and quantitative, same pattern, guys. Nothing will be changed. Okay, we go for next slide. Tentative schedule event as follow. You can see clearly here, guys. So online registration including the edit and modification of application candidates, when will we start, guys? 8th 6th, means tomorrow onwards only online registration will be start, guys. Last date is 28/6/2020. This month 28/6 last date, guys. June only last date. Okay, payment of application fees and intimation charges, this is also same, guys. 28/6/2021 last date. Okay, download call letter for pre-examination when, guys? 9th July. Download the pre-examination training here. Those are especially SC, ST, and OBC candidates. Okay, and conduct a pre-training, guys. So 19th July 2021 to 25 July 2021. Okay, July month only pre-examination training. Okay, download of call letter online exam preliminary. When the preliminary examination, guys? July or August. So July or August preliminary examination, guys. So online examination preliminary August. Okay, result of online preliminary September. Okay, September they will release the relegation. Download of call letter online main examination when, guys? September. Okay, next download the result of main single exam main examination result when, guys? October. Okay, so download the call letter for interview October or November. Most probably they will conduct the interviews in November, guys, and they finishing the final allotment when, guys? January 2022 they allot the postings, guys. Those are selected in interview selection, those allotted to 2022, guys. Every year IPS used to do that only. Okay, we will go. This is the most important topic, guys. Most of my subscribers are asking this doubt, sir. Most of the states NR is there. What is the meaning of this NR? NR means not reported, guys. This is not zero vacancies. This is not reported. Right now position not reported means whenever the every time IPS has asked you to respect to RRBs, guys, for provide the number of vacancies to IPS, but at the time respective RRB states are not ready to provide vacancies, guys. That is the position they mention NR. What is the meaning, what is the reason for they mentioning the NR means, right now joining procedures are not yet completed guys. Joining procedure is still pending is there. So some states are due to the lockdown, some states are doing this joining procedure. Whenever the joining procedure will be completed, then they got on a clear picture guys how many vacancies their respect to RRBs, then only they release the vacancies. Okay, so don't panic guys. NR means no, not reported. Okay, no vacancies, not, there is not meaning of zero vacancies right now, not reported. So they definitely report the vacancies guys. These vacancies also going to increase. Okay, there is no problem. And another one thing guys, you can apply any state. If you know the language means you can apply any state guys, there is no problem for that. Okay, this is the information guys. If you like the information means, you subscribe my channel and be in touch with my channel. And Jai Hind guys, thank you.